Hello and welcome friends. So this is a tutorial for Solid Edge beginners. It will be helpful to everyone, no matter if you are learning CAD or if you are coming to Solid Edge from some other CAD software. So let's start. This is what you see when you open the Solid Edge 2019 for first time. On top left here you have application button which allows you access to all document level functions, templates and standards. On the right side of the application button, you have quick access toolbar for now, which allows you to create a new document or to open an existing one. You can always customize and add more options to the quick access toolbar by using the drop down arrow and customizing button, but we will discuss about it in some later video. So now let's start and create a new part. In order to do that, I will click on the application button. Go to New and choose an existing template, in this case isometric part. So this is the default Solid Edge part environment. On top here you have ribbon which organizes commands by tab and by group for every environment. If you are in Solid Edge assembly or draft environment, you will have different command and different tabs. On the left here you have what is called Pathfinder. It's like feature tree or feature manager in SolidWorks. It shows you a quick way to identify and select model elements, and if you're working in ordered, allows you or shows you the history of the model, how the model was built. And you can also use it to transition between synchronous and ordered environment. At the bottom here you have what is called command finder. If you click on it and write any command like extrude, it will help you identify where that command is located. On the right of the command bar you have what is called view tools. So you can choose various existing views like sketch view, or you can choose different orientations, or you can save your new views or create your views. We will go into details for this later on. You can click fit all, you can zoom, you can pan. And on the right side here you have quick view cube, which also allows you to manipulate your model according to predefined orthographic views or isometric views. And if I right click and hold the right mouse button, you see what it is called the radial menu. So here you can quickly put constraints or dimensions. You can lock or unlock sketch plane if you are in synchronous. You can zoom, you can pan, or you can fit all. You can also add different tools to this menu once you are on more advanced levels and you find out which tools you use the most and you would like to have quick access to. Now we will create a simple sketch in Solid Edge synchronous environment and then on in a Solid Edge ordered part environment. So let's start. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will create a simple sketch for NCB 16.5 class 150 NPS2 flange. So let's start. First, we're gonna create the sketch in synchronous. For that, you go to the sketching menu and you click on the circle command, and then you choose the plane on which you would like to draw your sketch. You can do that either using Pathfinder, or you orient your view according to the plane. You click on the plane and you click F3 to lock it. I'm gonna put all the dimensions later on. I'm gonna bother with the dimensions right now. So this will be my bold circle, so I'm gonna change it to construction, and now I can put the dimensions and choose NC inch for NPS2. Outside dimensions are 6 inches. Outside diameter is 6 inches. bolt circle is at 4 3/4 of an inch, 2 inches, and my I have 4 bolts of 5/8 of an inch, for which my tolerance is 1/4 of an inch. I haven't constrained my sketch right now, so that's why it's in blue. Gonna add constraints, then all my circles are equal. We have learned how to create a simple sketch in synchronous environment. Now we will recreate the same sketch in ordered environment. For that, I will go to my Pathfinder and switch to the transition to the ordered environment. Will hide the existing sketch. Now the ordered environment for Solid Edge is very similar to SolidWorks and Inventor environments. You will have you will see the feature and part history, and you can go back and forward in the feature creation order or sequence. So let's create a simple sketch. Now I'm gonna click on the sketch. I can either choose my plane in my Pathfinder, or I orient my view again, choose the plane, in this case top plane, on which I'm gonna create my sketch. First creates the outside diameter, then the inside, and then my bolt hole circle. Gonna modify the bolt circle to construction geometry. And now I'm gonna use the radial menu, add quick dimensions to my sketch. Now I'm gonna draw the bolt tolerance circles. Gonna dimension them. Add constraints. And there you go. So we have drawn the same sketch in ordered environment. Now for my next video, I will show you how to create simple extruded features and cutout features in Solid Edge, synchronous and ordered environment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, friend. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.